Now in this video we will go through the structure of the created project. After we created the project using npx create next app, let's open it in Visual Studio Code. You can use any other IDE you prefer. As we can see, the project has three main folders: the Pages, Public, and Styles. The most important for us will be the Pages folder. The Styles folder, as its name says, holds the CSS styles. The Public folder contains static assets such as images, fonts, and other files that can be accessed by your pages. One difference that you may notice is that in standard React app in the Public folder there is index.js file, and here in the next project you do not have that. The reason is that NextJS has built-in pre-rendering, and while it gives a single-page application, that application is dynamically pre-rendered when a request reaches the server, so you do return initial page with content. As I mentioned, the Pages folder will be the most important for us because there is where we set the file-based routing. Therefore, it is the folder where we define different pages that will make up our application. Package.json in a Next.js project typically includes the following fields: the name of the project, the version of the project, a brief description of the project, a list of dependencies that the project relies on. These can include Next.js and React, as well as other packages required by the project. A list of dev dependencies that are only used for development purposes, for example testing frameworks, build tools. A list of scripts that can be run using the npm run command. These can be used to automate tasks such as building, testing, and deploying the project. The Node modules directory contains all of the dependencies required by the project, including Next.js, React, and any other packages listed in package.json. These dependencies are installed automatically when you run the npm install command. After we learn the structure of the initially created project, in the next video we will do some hands-on and start writing some code. Hit the like and subscribe button if you liked my video. Thanks for watching.